Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a new account with PostFinance online in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on postfinance.ch, which is the official website of PostFinance. Now, when you are here on this particular page, you just have to hover over to the paying and the savings section. Over here in the right hand side, you will see the option of become a customer. So when you click on the become a customer option, you will be landed here on this particular page. Now over here, when you scroll down a bit, you are going to see all of the steps that you need to take in order to apply for it. So PostFinance usually going to offer you various types of accounts here. So you will be shown the private accounts, the saving accounts, the youth and the student accounts and the business accounts. So over here, click on the option of open now. Afterwards, you will be landed here on this particular page where you just have to select any of these options if you are facing any of the problems. So you just have to select this option and then click on the option of next. Afterwards, you just have to provide your phone number and then click on the option of next. Then you just have to simply provide the information about yourself. That includes providing your first name, your last name, your date of birth, nationality, phone number, email address. So make sure that the information matches to your official ID exactly, because PostFinance is going to verify everything during onboarding. So PostFinance normally requires online verification before approving your account. So depending on your region, the account type, this may include your passport ID, your selfie verification and the video identification. So you just have to basically provide all of the informations that it asks you to provide. After verification, you just have to choose the debit card options, the online banking access and the mobile banking setup and the notification preferences. Once your application is submitted, PostFinance is going to review the application first, and after approval, you are going to receive your account confirmation, the IBAN details and the debit card details and even the e-finance login access. So some features may activate immediately, while physical cards can take several days in order to arrive at your doorstep. So that's how you can apply for it. Thank you.